All right, welcome back. We all know hurricane season is almost here, but unfortunately, many people are still recovering from last year, right? Specifically Hurricane Ida. We're joined now by attorney Joseph Piassoon to talk more about that, how you can prepare for this year's season, as well as handle unresolved claims you may have from last year. So thank you for being here this morning.
Thanks for having me.
All right, so let's start off with this hurricane season we have coming up. What should people be thinking as we head into a new season?
Well, it's hard to believe we're about to go through it again, but I think that the most important thing people should check, first of all, is that they do in fact have insurance coverage right now. With all of the hurricanes hitting Louisiana in the past couple of years, there have been a couple of insurance companies that have gone under and pulled out. I think number one, let's make sure that you actually do still have insurance coverage. Number two, one of the things that's become really important in all of the claims that are still going on is making sure that you've documented what you have. Taking pictures of your interior and exterior, even your roof of your home, is very, very important just to show the condition of your home before any storm hits.
And I wonder, and I'm assuming this is something you would recommend doing early on in the season, because some people might think, oh, June, July, not as big for storms maybe as we get later into the season, but be prepared as soon as you can.
Absolutely, and certainly before the storm, and some of us have had damage to our homes. I know I had damage to my home as a result of Hurricane Ida, and things change. The condition of your home changes. So definitely take pictures to show the condition of your home as it exists now, particularly those of us who have done repair work to our home to show it has in fact been done since the last storm and going into this season.
I know something we hear from so many people when we're just out in the community is, I'm still dealing with unresolved issues from last year. A lot of people, specifically Ida. What should people be thinking about if they're still having trouble from storms from last year?
If you're still working your claim, and there are many, many of us that still are, be persistent. The squeaky wheel really does get the grease. And I know there are many people who are on their second, third, fourth adjuster, maybe even more. Be persistent and stay on the adjuster. If they make a promise to give you a call back and they don't, you pick up the phone and you give them a call and stay on them. And many people are getting their claims resolved, and many people are still, shall we say, not satisfied with where things are, but just be persistent.
And so how can a lawyer or public adjuster, how can you help folks in that way if they really feel like they're just not getting the answers they need?
We're now 9 months since Hurricane Ida, and I would like to think that most people who have made their claims are pretty much getting close to where they're going to be. And if they're satisfied with their claim, then they're satisfied and have their home repaired, whatever needs to be done. But if they're not satisfied, I really think it would be a benefit to them to at least consult an attorney, a public adjuster that's handling these types of claims to go over their claim and see, are they being treated fairly? Have they received everything that they should have received? Usually they're free consultations, and usually very little harm in just checking it out.
And you can be one of those advocates for them.
Absolutely.
Awesome. Well, we thank you so much, Joseph, for being here. And we do want to let you know that, remember, hurricane season coming up very soon, beginning on June 1st. And you can find more tips to help you prepare right now on WDSU.com.